So I met this noob. He wanted help building a course and selling it online, so I decided to help him. Big mistake. However, after you watch this conversation, I guarantee it will change how you think about building a course in today's world of AI. You cannot afford to ignore this. Okay, so you want to learn how to build a course and then sell it online.
Yeah, I am so ready.
Okay, there are 4 steps you need to take. Step number 1, you need to pick a great topic.
I got it.
What are you doing?
I have the answer.
There's no one else here.
I will show people my basketball skills.
Bobby, if you take the richest people in the world, from that group, 75% are entrepreneurs, 15% are investors, 7% are inheritors, and only 3% are performers.
And I will join the 3%. People will pay to watch my gibble dribble.
I'm sure your gibble dribble is mind melting, but unless you're a freak of nature like the professor, this is a terrible idea.
Why are you so mean?
Do you want me to make you feel good, or do you want to make money?
Make money, but...
Step number 1, pick a great topic.
Gibble dribble.
Not a great topic.
Then what?
Something you're really good at.
Gibble dribble.
Not that. Listen, it's got to be something you're good at, something you love, and something that the market is hungry for.
So like a course on food.
Oh my word. Bobby, what is something you've done for a long time that you're really good at and you enjoy doing?
Well, there's gibble dribble.
I will hit you if you say that word again.
I was a drummer for a 70s style jazz band for a long time.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Yes, you love it, and that's great for you, but what about the market? What do they want?
How do you find out?
Watch. On YouTube, type in the topic of your course. So, how to play drums. Click on videos. You don't want to look at shorts. Videos give you a better picture of the market. Scroll down, look for recent videos with high views. Okay, right here, 6 months ago, over 200,000 views, Drumeo. Let's check this out. All right, notice they have a lot of views. Clearly there's demand. I'm just gonna pick one of the random ones, 45 comments. Yeah, definitely there's a market for this on YouTube, but that's not enough. You also wanna check school because that's where you're gonna sell it. Same thing, how to play drums on school. Now notice you have 20 a month, 2 members, 29 a month, 15 members. You got 35 members, 19 a month. There's a lot of drum opportunity. As long as you niche down, you definitely have a market here on school to sell your course on how to play drums.
That is awesome. But how do I make that into a course?
You're gonna first create your course outline using ChatGPT.
I'm out.
Bobby, what are you doing?
AI is evil, dude.
It's just a tool.
Yeah, until it takes over your brain.
Sit down, just watch for a minute. Create a course outline for beginners learning how to play drums. Include 5 sections, and each section has 5 to 7 videos, and each video has 5 to 7 bullet points. Watch this. Bobby, look at this. You have module 1. Look at this. Video 1, introduction to drumming, bullet points. Video 2, parts of the drum kit, bullet points. Video 3, how to set up your kit, bullet points. That's just one module. Now check this out. Module 2, a whole bunch of videos. Module 3, a whole bunch of videos. And you can go in here, Bobby, and you can tell ChatGPT to change it up for you based on your expertise and your style.
Wow.
See? And is your mind taking over?
Kinda.
Step number 3, now's your time to take this outline and turn it into course slides. And I'm gonna show you a tool that most people in the world do not even know exists. It's called Gamma.app. I click create new from AI, paste in text, and I already copied what ChatGPT pulled up for me. And I just hit Command V, I paste it in, I click generate from notes or an outline, and I'm gonna click continue to prompt editor. Notice it says concise, I want it detailed, so I'm gonna click detailed. Write for aspiring beginner drummers. I didn't even tell it that, Bobby. It knew on its own. Encouraging, clear, and concise, that's perfect. Images are gonna come from DALL-E 3. The format is presentation because you're gonna teach from this presentation, and we're gonna go freeform. This will give you a lot more data. Now all you need to do is hit continue at the bottom and then click the magic button, generate. Bobby, watch this. It is literally writing it for you as we watch. Bobby, do you realize how much time this is saving you right now? Bobby, that took less than 90 seconds. And boom, here you have slides for every single video to teach.
That is so clutch.
Now it's time to record your lessons as videos.
Oh no, I'm not good on camera.
I have a solution for you. You're gonna use Loom. It's only $24 a month, super cheap for a ton of video production. Now watch this. I'm in Gamma, I'm gonna hit Command Enter, boom. I'm gonna hit S, so we'll do one line at a time, and I hit start recording in Loom, and check this out, Bobby. See this little circle down here? 3, 2, 1, and boom. Boom. Okay, now it's recording my screen, drumming for beginners, from your first beat to full songs. Welcome to your drumming journey. You read that section and then you elaborate. And then I go to the next one. I read the title, I read the bullet point, I elaborate. And you do this going through each slide for each video. Super easy.
ChatGPT, Gamma, Loom, and then what? I ship my videos to people, like DVDs?
Bobby, this is not 1995. I want you to go to school.
I already graduated.
SKOOL.com. Once you've created your videos using Loom, you're gonna take the link from each video. Watch this. I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna create a new course. I'm gonna call it Drum Lessons for Beginners by your own dear Bobby McGee. And you have different options for payment, but for now, we're just gonna keep it open. You can add a cover image if you want. Super simple. I'm gonna hit add. Now watch this. Here I'm at new page. I click this little edit button here. And this could be lesson 1, how to hold the sticks, traditional versus match method or something like that. And then right here is where you add the Loom link. When you add it, the video will be here. You hit save, boom. You now have your entire course hosted on School.
Okay, so ChatGPT, Gamma, Loom, School.
Yep, you got 4 tools and you got 1 course.
How do I sell it? Like, how do I get people to buy my course?
You're gonna go to SethKniep.com/start. Bobby, this community and the training will show you exactly how to get your courses into the market, how to sell them and start making a lot of money.
What are you gonna charge?
Nothing.
For real?
Yep.
Hey, I could use this platform to teach people my gibble dribble.
I'm going to the gym.